Da-na, 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 da-na. What's in the closet?
A mess. It's time to clean it up. Choices were made. I'm stuck. Germa boob. I've been putting this off for a very long time.
Lately, every time I've gone into my closet, I found myself fighting a battle. And risking a concussion.
But the day has come. I'm gonna declutter and organize my closet. Again. Do I have a plan? Not really. Do I have any tips? Have less shit. Oh dear God. I guess I'll start with this nonsense. Show it, camera. Bunch of bags. Some camera gear at the bottom. Why don't you come this way? There we go. And some books and stuff up here. I don't know where all this shit is going, but let me see what I can get rid of. I actually don't know how I acquired this much shit.
It's been 8 years. Things just multiply on their own. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. But yeah, when you live in such a small space, less is more peace.
Camera gear. Alright, maybe we'll go through this stuff first. Before we pull it all out. One bit at a time. Maybe that's my tip. Okay. They're also tearing out flooring next door. That's fun.
Yeah, so this video is actually full of audio and camera difficulties. Because I was using a new camera and they were remodeling the unit next door. But hey, I love a challenge.
I did put some... Come on, camera. Whee! I did put some hooks. My hair is fantabulous. Hooks back here. Oh wait, there's more. Which I can't get to. I probably need to add more hooks. Oh yeah, this is my hiking bag. This is why I suck. I'm not the person to teach you to do this. I'm not. This is why it's a horror show. Welcome back.
Progress, not perfection. That's the theme. Just try and do better.
This is actually something my grandmother made. Fucking... Camera lost me. It's an old, like, her entire family album or something. There's my mom. Man, they did wrong with those bangs. That's hilarious.
And I just showed it to the world. You're welcome, Mom.
I'm working my way through the Outlander series. I didn't want to finish the books before the series ended because I figured it would just make me angry. Because no doubt, like, who knows? Who knows if it's going to be as good, but usually isn't.
And that is my general opinion on books that become either TV shows or movies. They're just never as good. And name one. Go ahead. Put it in the comments. Let's fight it out.
I guess I'll give her a shout out. is very lovely. Read a book. Keeping. Getting rid of. Really wish something like this had been available when I was like 11 or 12, but alas, our bodies have been ignored for centuries. Anyways, I'm keeping it because I need to reread and revisit. That's what's happened. Confuse the camera because there's a mirror there. There's mirrors everywhere. Sorry, camera.
The camera is now my friend. We have conversations. Enjoy.
I really am confusing the fuck out of this camera, apparently. Oh no. I'm here. I'm right here. These are gonna come into play on my next adventure. They're like really vintage books. They're fantastic.
Shout out to my 4 patrons. You're the only people who will have any idea what the hell that was about. The rest of you, well, stick around. And eventually you'll find out. Maybe. Probably. We'll see. It's just another one of my crazy ideas.
Okay. So, progress. Don't have to be perfect. A little bit at a time. That stuff fits in there better. And we'll come back and do the clothes. Ha ha ha. Actually, I think most of this is all going. So, stuff on that side. Okay. Here's everything I took out. So back when they put a hole in my armoire, I took everything out and kind of sorted through, and this is the stuff that was in the, I don't wear it that often, probably don't need it anymore side, so we're gonna go through it one last time.
I forgot to turn off the air conditioner and the squeaky fan for that. You're welcome. So, yeah, they installed a breaker box and put a hole in my armoire, so I had already taken out a bunch of stuff, and I did that thing where you put it somewhere else, and if you don't reach for it in a few months, get rid of it. Turns out, kind of works. Highly suggest.
Mission accomplished. Okay, now I have more lighting. I have nothing on my face. I probably look like death. Whatever. Okay, it's not a whole lot better, but whatever. So I asked ChatGPT. I gave it a picture of me, and I asked it for my colors, and it decided I'm a soft summer. And this feels right. I'm gonna try to keep this in mind when I buy new things. I'm gonna try. I sell things on Posh, not sponsored. And you know, whatever doesn't sell, eventually then I just donate. Alright, let's see what my new closet looks like. Here's smash cut? I don't know. Ta-da! Alright, so bookshelf is a little more organized. Bags, camera stuff, important documents in case of fire. Shoes. Oh, there actually is some. I'm giving these away. Okay. I'm trying to. Lord have mercy. Okay, try that again. Alright. Shoes. Bags. Suitcases. My step stool because I'm short. Weather jackets. Can close the door much easier. Yay. And then this side. Vacuum bags are awesome. We did it. We organized our closet. Ta-da!